This is a 2006 Chrysler PT Cruiser. This crossover has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a sunroof, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a rear spoiler, a security system, a passenger side airbag, a multi-function display, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Palmetto Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1625 Savannah Highway in Charleston.